we're talking about maintenance again here, and we're specifically talking about wipers and washer fluid. So how often should you replace your wipers, and when should you do it? What's potential issues that could cause you to have to prematurely replace them? So right here, I've got a Tricoflex, very good wiper, and this is what we call a beam blade. Now we've gone to just installing these. They're a better blade, more cost effective. Typically, you're gonna get about twice the use out of these that you would a traditional standard blade. These are gonna last you anywhere up to a year, depending on weather, how much you use them. You know, are you in really hot, really cold, where they dry rot? Things that happen to wipers, you can get slices in these blades. And that will cause it to obviously clean the windshield unevenly because you're going to have gaps there or something that damages that. Another thing that happens when they start to skip or hop as you use the wiper, it jumps on the windshield, makes a bunch of noise. It's at the end of its life. That's time to start getting ready to replace them. And what we don't want to find out is in a big storm and then we're trying to replace our wipers, or we're driving and we can't see, right? Another big thing is our washer fluid. So a lot of times in the summer, people put, diluted solution in there. Well, what happens is it's only good to, how much water mixture you have in there, and it freezes. That can crack the washer lines, the washer bottle, things like that. So you want washer fluid. We just use it all year round. That's good to like -20. That way you don't have that issue of it freezing in the winter. So any questions on your maintenance or wipers or washer fluid, give us a call. Cars Rustin and Chesney Park.
877-4277